Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and today is my 63rd day of a 90-day challenge of spoken English. So today I'm going to tell you very specific thing, and it is related to spoken part and genuinely related to spoken part. So while listening is more important than anything for learning English, for learning spoken English. So whenever we searched anywhere and whenever we asked to anyone what is the important thing to learn in spoken part, then all they give the same answer, that you have to will listen more and more. Okay, like watching, whenever you watch English videos, then means the core idea is to listen English. And why it is important, so I'm going to tell you in my way. So I'm trying too hard to make you understand this thing, and it is a very easy way to understand. And while if you like while you understand this thing, I mean, maybe you feel more interest and you will start taking more interest while listening. So it is very helpful for you. Okay, see, I mean, why we think that a thing is harder for doing, like whenever we do a new thing, it is hard for us. Why? Because our mind will not ready for doing that particular thing. If our mind feels comfortable with that particular thing, then everything is easy for doing. So the same thing. Okay, and I'm giving another example also. Whenever we listen any song, after listening that song, our mind uh, comfortable with that song, and we easily learn that lyrics of that song, and we're trying to sing that song with rhythms also. Why? Because our mind feels comfortable with that particular language or with that rhythm also. And if we talk about spoken part, we have a fear in our mind, like we don't know how to speak, we don't know grammar, we have fear for judging. Loads of fear we have in our mind regarding spoken part, and our mind is not ready to to convey that spoken part. So that's why I'm saying, I mean, if like after listening English, then our mind becomes calm, poised in that situation of spoken part, and whenever you start speaking, it gives you a that confidence, it gives you a courage to speak. I hope i hope I mean, you're getting my point. And like if I talk about me, as I told you that like before taking this challenge, I did lots of efforts, and like on that application also, like that's why these applications are very helpful for you know I mean, for learning English spoken part. The main thing is that why people don't say that writing is enough for learning English, because it is not enough. Like, of course writing is important for learning this speaking part, but the thing is that learning is not uh, learning is not only the way to learn that language or speaking part. Because whenever we like writing is not enough, because if we don't do practice, then our mind is not ready for for facing this situation. And once if our mind creates that aura, creates that environment in it, that okay, it is ready to speak, it is ready to create, to gather that confidence and courage, then things will be easy for us. And that's why whenever we'll and the one thing I'm going to tell you, see, listening, of course listening is the best part. Listening is very helpful for learning this language, uh, for more you fluent in English. But is listening is the only thing for, I mean, for learning that language? No, I mean, before listening English videos, you have to be a good listener also. If you are not good listener, then how you get that environment, how your mind will be ready for getting that environment? I hope I'm going to make you understand. Like, see, if we are not ready, if I mean, okay, we are listening. If I, like, I always tell you that I do practice, I listen podcast, I watch videos, I listen audiobooks also. Like, if I do not give focus on that particular thing, if I'm not a good listener, then how can I get that gist of that part? And how can I uh, gather interest in it? So the same thing we have to be. So the main thing is that, I mean, you have to be listen that I mean, you have to be focused on listening. And before listening, you have to be become a good listener. The two things are literally more important for learning and for improving spoken part. And it's a very like essential things. We don't take it as a granted. I mean, if we if okay we I mean, we only focusing on listening, and on the other side we are doing another work also, then how can we focus? I mean, our mind is uh, means our mind gives work in two directions. It can't be focused on one thing. If we, like, if we learn anything, if we read anything, then like, whenever we read anything with more interest, then we can get that particular part easily. And if we, like, if we are doing something, like, whenever we do two works in the same time, like, we are studying and along with we are talking to each other, then it is not good thing. I mean, we didn't get anything even. We means we do not talk properly with that person, and we do not give 100% in our studies also. So that's why before listening, you have to be a good listener also. So of course, focus on listening part, and you can make your mind more comfortable with that spoken part. So you, like, after listening, after your mind will be used to of listening that language, then you can start speaking also. Because your mind is capable to speaking. Now your mind is capable to face that situation, face that environment. Okay, so that is the thing I want to tell you. And thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for uh, I mean, literally, when I started this challenge, I didn't think that I could get that, like, what that word, I forget that word, I have habit to forget words. uh, Appreciation. I didn't think that I can get lots of appreciation, and it's really helpful for me. And if I'm able to make you feel good, so you can also work on your English. So please bear with me, stay tuned with me. Thank you. Jai Hind.